difficulty से ज़्यादा it was very challenging, you know. I know that in Family Man also they had a long one take action sequence which they had done. So when they came to pitch this idea कि you know इसमें हम लोग 12 मिनट का एक लंबा one take करेंगे, 1 hour. That's how what they call it, a 1 hour करेंगे. तो my question और सैम का भी क्वेश्चन यही था कि करेंगे कैसे ये, इसके लिए बहुत रिहर्सल चाहिए होगा because there are different parts. और हम लोग एक हवेली में शूट कर रहे थे, पैलेस we were shooting. एंड ये कैसे करेंगे, कोरियोग्राफ कैसे करेंगे, बिकॉज एज वी कीप मूविंग थिंग्स गेट मोर डिफिकल्ट. देयर आर बॉम्ब्स दैट आर बर्स्टिंग, देयर आर grenades that we are throwing and which are bursting in real time and stuff like that. And I mean it's actually a very scientific process, a very technical thing. Actually, Raj can.
No, I mean we have done this before. It's a very well choreographed one takes, but this time we had really good action, hidden action talent in both of them, that we actually put them in the line of fire. So they had to do the stunts. There was really no doubles. So they had to do it all themselves. So that was the challenge this time. They were up for it, right? The very first day, very first shot of him, usually it's a respectful shot, right? Where, okay, let's take action. What we did was, he was ulta, Danga fight, head down, from the top he came down. That was his very first shot. So it was that kind of enthusiastic actors we need as creators to push the boundaries.
तो पहला जो शूट था हम लोग कर रहे थे, उन्होंने मुझे उल्टा लटका दिया था इजीली. मतलब 8 घंटे का शूट है, मैं 3-4 घंटे उल्टा ही लटका हुआ था.
और बीच में लंच ब्रेक हुआ तो हम छोड़ के चले गए.
When they say धमाकेदार, we had a Russian stunt director for that. Who I was not understanding what he was saying when I was upside down. I was like, ये तो मराठी में गाली निकल रही थी.
One more question here from the right hand side. Renuka, hi.
Hi Renuka.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, very well.
Hi Sachin and hi the entire team, Varun, Raj, DK, Sam, everyone. We really love the teaser. I have 2 questions. First for Raj and DK, second for Varun. For Raj and DK, I would like to ask, what is it like to step into the mind of Russo brothers and make that universe your own? Because you have very independent sense of style and filmmaking, storytelling. They have their own, but what is it like to step into that universe and make it your own? My second question for Varun is, during Badlapur, your father said that I do not want to see Varun in a dark shade, in a dark character. What was his reaction when you told him about this?
See, this is the first time we are doing a collab with anybody. We've been fiercely independent filmmakers. 3 of us started off with 99 here. So we've only made what we wrote, what we direct, we wrote, directed and produced most of our stuff. And that's how we believe that we could do something unique and something that nobody's going to push us to do. Right? So that's the freedom that we enjoyed as filmmakers. And I'm glad we stuck to that. And I'm glad that platforms like Amazon are actually supporting that vision, saying that, hey, do what you want, and give us our space to do our creative work. Having said that, once we met, we were, of course, very excited when Jennifer Salke gave us this offer to direct Citadel India. We met Russo brothers, we went to the US and the entire team. There was like a big conference room where we had episodes laid out for everybody. They actually did their reading, first reading of their episode. All of us together. They were very gracious and extremely collaborative and free. And when we heard our pitch, we were like on a call saying, what do we tell them? What is our pitch? So when we actually told the idea, it was off from what they were doing. It was there was more quirk in it. There was a bit more cinema. There's a lot of touch of cinema in Citadel Honeyberry. There's a cinematic element throughout. There's a motif that works.
For me, I think it is that whenever I see something, any piece of art, and I get excited about it, I make it a point to go and tell the person that you've done a good job. If I really like it, I want to go and applaud that person because that's just a natural instinct. I become a fan in that moment. So it was in the lockdown when Family Man released, and like everyone, I saw season 2, and I was a huge fan, and it was at 12 o'clock at night, 12:31 at night, pretty late, I called DK. His wife must be wondering. We started talking about the show, and I said this is amazing and this and that, and started discussing action and runners only, for that matter. And like I said, he had me at Russo's. He said, I'm going to tell you something, but if you tell anyone, I'll have to kill you. So I was like, no, I won't tell anyone. Tell me, please tell me. And then he said, we're doing this with the Russos, and I was like, the Russos, Avengers, and Raj and DK, Family Man, and Go Goa Gone, Stree, they are coming together. What's going on? And then slowly, I met
Everybody
Raj.
also said that, see, I really want to do some action. You said that, right? I'm like, guess what? It is action.
So it was just everything aligning together. And for my dad, it was just so that because he didn't like how my personality had become post Badlapur, like why I was behaving like that. He likes to see me in a certain way always. So, but when this came about, because I've matured since then so much that he knows I can handle all this. So he's coming as a parent more than just anything. That's David Dhawan, the parent. But he was so excited that I'm working with directors like Raj and DK because he's loved their work as well in the past, so much. So he's pretty excited about this, The world's moving on continuously, The Russos are doing so much stuff in the West. They're doing so many series, productions, and now they're actually back to directing Avengers. And we should ask Raj and DK that when they're going to surprise us now with the big one. Okay, that's for a later conversation.
First sequel. So how tough, strenuous, or easy was it to do all these action sequences?
I think Sam will agree, will always depend on the technical team that you have. And she has her favorite action choreographer, whose name is Yannick, he's my favorite now as well. He's amazing, that guy. And he's done some incredible work in Honey Bunny. And I think that Raj and DK always work with Ejaz Bhai as well. He's their mainstay. And so we had an amazing crew with us, So I felt very safe in their hands. But there was a lot of hanging for some reason. They wanted me to jump with a bike 40 feet in the air, and then Raj would be with the camera, and then DK will be like, "You'll do that, right? You'll do that." I'm like, "But okay, I don't know what to say."
They make it look like a cakewalk for you.
Not put anything. They're being very conjuice. There's lots more that Samantha been through, bruises, hurts, which Amazon didn't let us put out actually.
So they're wanting us to, leaving us wanting for more.
कुछ नहीं डालने देते हैं Amazon यार, इतना एम्बागो डाल देते हो तुम लोग, कुछ डाल ही नहीं सकते हम लोग.
Samantha,
खुद तो डालने दो, सुबह का खाना जो है वो भी नहीं डाल सकते.
but
मेरे को तो बोल देता बीवी को फोन भी मत करो, उस पे भी एम्बागो है.
niche for yourself in this genre?
Well, Family Man 2 might have been beginner's luck. I don't know. I'll wait for the audience to give me their verdict with this one, but I really hope I pass with flying colors because the action genre is something that I'm deeply invested in and I would like to do more of. So I really hope they give me their blessings on this one.
You aced it like a champion in the teaser.
And I didn't know कि ये वो है actually. मैंने वो देखा था, मुझे वो गाना बहुत पसंद था. नीने नानीने अरे 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 अरे. I love that song.
He's been wanting to do this
and
for
whenever I meet her, I'll say, can we just make a reel on the song once, Samantha, one chance. But because she was so amazing in that. And then, while doing the series with her, I realized, "Arey, it's Samantha Dey." Then some other film, she said, "Ye bhi Samantha Dey." Arey, iske saath. So she's given so many hits, which I didn't know it was her. Then I came to know. And then she has a pet name also. Can I say it?
Only here for day reveal, not your nickname reveal. We shall keep it for behind the scenes. But
Bunny. But yeah, with that aside, we also wanted to have a little bit of a quirky name and a quirky title, something that brings across the element of that that element in the series. It's not just like a serious action drama, with like lives and a lot at stake. So there is a quirky element. So we want to bring that out, Honey Bunny. And this is where I'd like to add that it's kind of like a love story of these two characters, but they could also kill each other if you let them. You know what I mean? So the song you just heard earlier, where it said "Honey, honey, honey, honey bunny," the main line there is "Tu mujhe jaan le ya meri jaan le."
So Angel Spy thriller.